Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to reset FYP on TikTok, FYP for you page on TikTok. First of all, you are doing this because you don't like videos which are appear on your screen. That's why you want to change your for you page on TikTok. Click on the TikTok. After that, click on the profile. Click on the three lines which are appear on the top right corner. After that, click on setting and privacy. You can scroll that bar and click on free up space. After that, click on cached clear. When you click on the clear, for you page will be reset and the things which you search again will appear and the person which you follow back will appear in your TikTok video. That's all that how to reset your for you page on TikTok. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.